Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sagar Info Mode. In this video I will show you how to collect one certificate from the MIT University. I think you have listened about the MIT University from your friends and in your college. So in this video I will show you that only to how to take a certificate. This is a certificate providing from the MIT Future Academy. You can see the professional certificate and the barcode is also there with some number. And here your name will be displayed, and here, this is a course name, blockchain technology and management. And see, there are so many courses like machine learning, artificial intelligence, blockchain technology, and digital marketing strategy, big data. There are the number of courses. If you go to some another website, these courses are in the paid versions. So, in this video, I will show you how to do these courses free and get the certificate of free of cost. So keep watching my video until last. Don't skip this video, or else you have some miss some points. So first we need to fill our details here. This is the registration page. I will do step by step. Here we need to enter our email id. I will enter my email id and select our country. My country is India. And phone number. And select work experience. I will select as fresher. And select which course you want to do. I will select which course I will show you. I will show you digital marketing strategy. So click on the submit. So here you can see click to start your free learning month. So just click on it. So here you need to enter your username, and you can see the password must have at least 8 character, at least one digit, one at least one lowercase, one uppercase, and at least non-alpha numeric characters. So I will write my username Sagar Singh 214. Okay. Password I will write. Email ID. What we have entered just now, we need to enter the same email ID here. Enter the email ID once again here. Mobile number. So friends, don't call me. First name Sagar. Surname Singh. Town. Just write Hyderabad. Select country. India. Now click on create my new account. So an email should have been sent to your address sagarsingroshan@gmail.com. So it concern okay. So one email ID is come to our mail. So just we need to confirm our mail ID. Okay. Let me. This is not okay. So let me open my email ID. Just click on Gmail. I will show you everything step by step. Don't worry about the if the video is time is. So this is a link. Confirm your account successfully. Confirm. Okay. So thanks, your registration has been confirmed. So click on continue. So once again you need to select the course which you want to do. There are the some number of courses: advanced excel, ethical hacking. So at the time of register I have selected, you can select any course. Okay, I have selected digital marketing course. So where it is, scroll down for the digital marketing course. Here it is a digital marketing strategy course. So 40 lectures, and these are the intros. Okay, so click on access. So here click on enroll me button. Okay, so we have successfully enrolled in the course. This is just a tour. Just click on next. So this is the end of tour. Okay, so here it is a overview of our course. Uh, I will not recommend you to just go tick mark on these videos. You must complete watch all those videos and take your certificate. So take your certificate only when you have a proper knowledge. Then what is the meaning of you have a certificate of the digital marketing if you don't know what is digital marketing? So for this only for showing you, I just do this course very faster. So it has a quiz also. After completing all these things, then quiz will be enabled for you and the feedback form. So let's get started of doing this course. Just click on this and read completely all these things. So I don't want to take your much time, so I just click on this tick mark, means this I have completed. So, okay, so just tick mark on it in all these fields. You can check so what is a marketing channel. For you only I am doing this. If you wanna really want to do this course, must watch all those videos, then only you can have a value of having the certificates. Just click on this, and watch the text, and just read the text and watch the videos. Then only you will get some ideas about the digital marketing. So click in all the fields. So this is a session 5. uh, from my opinion, you have to complete this code, at least take 1 month of time, then only you can be perfect in this course. So we have think that we have successfully completed this course. Now we have to go for the quiz. So I will show you the quiz answers also. Just keep watching this video without doing skip and click on the quiz. You can see here, click on the quiz, and you have attempts allow only 2 and grading method highest grade. Okay, so click on the attempt quiz now. So I will show you the answers of all the questions. Just be with videos only. Okay, so for this, marketing is a steps that an organization takes. So for this, the correct answer is to make it easier for some person to sell their products. Okay, it is a correct answer for this video questions. Okay, so what according to you is marketing insight? So for this, the correct answer is data driven informations. For the third question, with respect to the concept of brand architecture, Edelise. For the corporate brand, the correct answer for this is a corporate brand. And asking a question on Quora to find out which car to buy is like. So for this, visiting a review site is the correct answer for these questions. Okay, so salesperson uses his personal LinkedIn profile to acquire customers is called. So it is called the social selling. I hope these are the basic questions that everyone must know about it. So for the sixth one is customer experience. I forget to read the question. Okay, creating a great looking user interface is investing in what? So for this, correct answer is a customer experience. For seventh one, what according to Professor digital marketing is? For the seventh one is answer is a medium. Seventh one answer. So putting an ad not on your own company website, but I have successfully completing all the questions answers. If you are not answer, you can. I will show you once again all the right answers for this video for this exam. Okay, for the first one, C. Second one, third one, the right answers. Fourth one, fifth one, sixth, seventh. I'm showing this once again. Why? Because I don't want you to be wrong. Okay, so for the eighth, ninth, you can see all this. If you want the correct answers, you can just pause the video and check your answers. Okay, so quiz is completed. So now for the feedback. So feedback form. You can give any feedback here, not a problem. So everything is successfully completed. So here, download the certificate. So click on view certificate button. So amazing friends. So this is a certificate. Professional certificate is awarded to Sagar Singh has successfully completed the course in digital marketing strategies offered by MET Future Academy. So as I promise you to, I will give you one certificate if you watch this video. So this is a certificate from the MET University. See here barcode and credential ID, and you can see the signature of the director MET Future Academy, and verify at learningweek.metfutureacademy.com. So it is a verified certificate. You can show in your resume also at the time of applying for the job in the digital marketing fields. Okay, so I hope everyone got the certificate. If anyone left with this, do let me know. So by this I will end my video.